so today we are back with another review or whatever. So clearly we got to get rid of this makeup from yesterday. Today we have hair from Ishow Hair again, has sent us a Wiggage for sure. 13 by 6 frontal. That looks good. It is pre-plucked. It is not bleached, guys. I'm probably gonna go in and bleach it. You have 6 whole inches of parting space, okay? So you could probably hit it off with the side part or even just that middle part. And then you got your combs. That's 3, so you have 4 combs. You got your adjustable straps in the back. And then the whole shebang. Okay, I like this type of meshy because now that it's cold outside, guys, we don't need that wind coming through on that scalpage, okay? Getting sick, so this could be more like a hat, okay? Some of them just literally come with the tracks on there and it's see-through. So this is like a good helmet hat, okay? It's not that much space on the sides. That's all you get. This hair is so silky and slithery, guys, like a little wet snake or something. So when I go in to pluck it, I'm literally just going to be plucking out these thick areas and a little bit of that defined line. Because we see it. It's not hiding from us, honeys. I do just want to love up on this Ishow hair, though. Look at it. The density is probably a little low. It's not super thick at all. Because let me see if we part it. Yeah. See, them parts ain't looking like nothing, guys, because them knots ain't bleached. It's just dull. But we could get that low side part, guys, and swoop it over that way. Mold it, of course, because it's so slithery. It's just straight and sheer. Like, I love this little hair. Ishow Remy 13 by 6 straight hair lace frontal, okay? And then it is 20 inches with 100% density, okay? So the density is the fullness of it. So when you get a 150 density, 200 density, that's thicker, you know. We're gonna get right into this, okay? We gotta remove this makeup. Y'all know how I like to do. I go in naturally with some boom, or I would even have used now Vaseline. And I have bleached it. Now doesn't that look way better? Okay, guys, so that's, to me, the best way to get it done for yourself before you even cut the lace. Put that Wiggage on there, okay? Play with it, pluck it, lift it up. See how natural it will look. Lift it down. You're going to find anything that's hiding when you move it around. That looks real. That's about how mine look. Nice and ratchet. Nice and ragged. I end up plucking them hairs out that had came too low. I got them up out of there. So that's another good way. Instead of just cutting through it, you could just pluck it out of there, customized to you or your client. Put it on their head and do it, okay? I am going to be combing everything from the bang part forward and straightening it forward so it'll stay that way. But I'm going to put this part over that track, so therefore it would stay over the track. And when I move my head down, up, left, or right, that track will not show because I have molded that hair with the heat to lay over it. So pretty much that's all I was showing you guys. But everything else from this point forward will be straightened forward, because whichever way you straighten it, guys, like you seen with that hot comb, whichever way you lay it, that's the way that it's going to be, okay? It's not gonna go or move any other way, okay? It's gonna be molded that way. So we're gonna bring everything to the front to give that bang fullness and that illusion of it hanging thicker. And we're not curling it today, guys. We are just cutting it and straightening it. Look at that hair, and we about to cut it off. I mean, I feel some type of way, guys, but what can I do? Okay, I really do want to bob Kells style, and I'm showing you with these scissors, okay? So that little piece, you put your index finger through one hole and your thumb through another hole, and then that little piece is to hold your little pinky to keep your hand stable so that you will be able to hold the comb while you cut and all of that. So you don't have to be picking up tools and losing stuff. You got everything in your hand. So it's really a science to this stuff, guys. And I'm just going in trying to cut and make my bob. I want that front as long as I can get it, okay? So it was very helpful to do it on a mannequin head. I am very used to doing it on my own head, especially when I'm doing a pronto bob, okay? So just watch me work, guys, because I got a couple of different tools I'm using. That is just a straight blade. I had scissors, and I think that was pretty much it. But this is more like a choppy bob. It's not a straight blunt cut bob. It's choppy, so that way it gives me more body. So now, guys, I am doing something that they call point cutting. So basically, point cutting just adds texture to the hair, and I am just straightening out my, you know, ragged line or whatever, my choppy line. So just trying to make the bob come together, trying different ways to keep a bounce to it and all of that, because if I go in with minimal heat to flat iron this bob out, it wouldn't even matter because the cut is so good that it looks good. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to basically give it the type of cut that I can give it so I can get up and go, guys. I'm not trying to be curling on no hair every day, doing all of that. The bang is so long, you would just pull everything from that bang all the way to the back of your bob where the shortest piece is, your base, and cut it all off, and guess what? That bob would just fall gorgeously asymmetrical, okay? So That's pretty much be the science of that sometimes, but it's really a science to it, guys. I could go in so much more depth, but I know you guys just like to watch me slay, so I think this was different and interesting. Okay, we always just throwing wigs on, but let's style some wigs, let's color some wigs, let's start doing different stuff, guys. Everything I'm doing up to this point, guys, is just for me to take some of the fullness off from around the neck, because once you cut it straight across, it will just be bold and bulky. So I'm just kind of shaving at that neck to thin it out, and then I am going to lift that hair up, point cut it to a base of the bottom, all the extra science stuff, guys. But I'm just kind of getting the bulkiness from out the back of the bob, so it won't just be looking like it's sticking up and sticking out. Okay, my honeys, this is the final look. Okay, I love it, Okay, I think I cut the mess out of this little wiggage. We went from 20 inches to what? What? We are not done yet, okay? I'm gonna leave everything about this hair in the description, honey, but I know y'all been asking me about contacts, right? So I have to try some out, and I will be putting some contacts on with this lookage today, honeys. Why not? Like, she is bad. Is she not bad, though? She is bad. So we have some contacts, my honeys. I can't even pronounce this. You guys tell me what it say. Okay. That's who they're from. I'm gonna leave them in the description too, guys, because you get 20% off. It's buy one get one free. Okay, I got icy blue and I got amber. Listen, guys, I have never really wore contacts. That was like 20 years ago, and I don't really know. Okay, it comes with these little portable cases. So I'm gonna wear the amber ones today, guys. That's what I'm going to put on. They are very natural type of things, they say. I like when they have like the little beads in there within the middle to blend with your outer. I like it. It's not just flat out blue. You know what I'm saying? It's like, it looks like a real eyelid. So we're just gonna go for it. We're just gotta go for it. I think my little look is complete. Y'all let me know how I look in these contacts, okay? It has been over 10 years since I have worn contacts. And I love them. Like, okay, maybe mama could go find her little boyfriend. At this point in the video. I will see my honeys on the next one. The next one. Bye, guys. Love you guys.